When you see this, do you say open the aircon? Sorry, this is wrong. We do not say open the aircon. What do we say? We say turn on the aircon. Turn on the air conditioner. Turn on the AC. Why do we say this? If it needs power to do its job, you say turn on. Power is just energy or electricity. Solar power, power from a windmill, power from a battery. Power is just something that lets your air conditioner stay on. If it needs power to stay on, then we say turn on or turn off. How about a car? You would say turn on the car. Turn on the light. Open the book. Why would you say open the book? Because a book doesn't need power. It doesn't need energy. It's just from people. People need to do something. They need to open the book. Open the door. Close the door. Open the window. Close the window. And so when you see an air conditioner, you say what? Turn on the AC. Turn off the AC. Why? Because the air conditioner needs power. A laptop. What would you say? You could say both, because you want to open the laptop and turn it on. So it's closed and it's off. So we want to open the laptop and turn it on. What would you say about a fire? You would say start a fire and extinguish the fire. Extinguish just means to put out. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, give a thumbs up, tell your friends, share it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.